There are an estimated 5 million predators online today, and children are 51 times more likely to be the victim of identity theft. Technology is quickly becoming a necessity in education. However, it also poses a threat to the safety and security of your students and faculty. How secure is your staff and student information? NIC Partners can help you answer that question. 74% of teachers report that the use of technology in the classroom motivates students. So educators are moving towards high-tech tools to improve testing outcomes and enhance graduation odds. However, the resulting data profile, if breached, presents consequences that aren't cheap. Child data records are worth 20 times adult records on the black market, and the consequences can be far-reaching for students, teachers, and parents. The educational sector accounts for 20% of security breaches in the U.S. NIC Partners is an IT solutions company that has helped more than 50 school districts conquer their technology challenges. Let us use a security pen test to assess your school's strengths and vulnerabilities. With the safety of your teachers and students at stake, it's time to act now. Visit www.nicpartnersinc.com/security pen test to schedule your security pen test today. Let us prevent the problems before they start.